Happy Thursday, February 28th, everyone. Take a look at this market and take a look at what's playing out right now. This morning we opened up at key Fibonacci support. This is day trading support you can install on any instrument you trade. This is hourly chart. This is what you learn how to identify in every Thursday class in Mastery course. We knew extremely well that this is key support. Bias is bullish. Shorts are not an option. Stop is placed in perfect place. Knowledgeable trader knows this. Knowledgeable trader also knows that when price comes to 27.9250, taking profits off the table and moving your stop outside of break-even is the key. Look at this dance. Look how flawless and precise market is. Every single trader who is in the course, who is taking trading seriously, knows market is Fibonacci chess game. And if you play by the rules, the skies are the limit. Every single example you see in front of you, I convert to 1-minute chart on purpose. There is no speculation. There are only precise rules. 10 years later, I worked with traders all over the world. Traders who trade different accounts, traders who trade different instruments, traders who trade on platforms I've never heard of. Traders who knows that Fibonacci is only predictive tool in the markets. Traders who know that if you choose to disrespect as your target, success is not possible. Look at that. Nothing is random in this market. This is a dance this morning. From this key support present in front of you weeks in advance to this day trading key target. Agree? This is where a knowledgeable trader moving the stop outside of break-even. Small lot size completely out. From day trading support to day trading resistance. Look at that. Nothing else is possible this morning. Knowledgeable trader knows that. And if S&P crashes completely, that's what price does. 70+% of the time. Take a look. Place outside of decision point 2, close to reversal zone, not the place to buy, the place to exit. Shock or not. As expected. And that's the power of the method to the tick. Trail placed in flawless place. No surprise. If market will find power to continue, knowledgeable trader protected his profits. Knowledgeable trader knows that only if you apply sniper's mentality, you will succeed as day trader. Agree? So, while we're waiting on S&P, see if there is anything else is possible. Take a look how crucial accuracy is. Shock or not. Not the place to buy, the place to exit. This exact same Fibonacci level, what's been in a play on Tesla for the last 2 years. Chart present in front of you for years. Poor Tesla. Cannot break through Fibonacci reversal zone. No surprise, not the place to buy, the place to exit. But no matter how wild Elon Musk new tweets are, key Fibonacci support respected. Identical Fibonacci levels, very different strategy. No surprise. When price comes outside of reverse decision point 2 in reversal zone, that's a place to exit. And if you're not exiting your trade, you're moving your stop into a very crucial place. Clear on that? And that's how you use Fibonacci for your exits, no matter what you trade. And this is how you use Fibonacci for your entries, no matter what you trade. On hourly chart, identical strategy as on Tesla. And if I convert this chart to 15-minute chart, identical strategy as on Tesla. Identical accuracy. Reversal zone where you expect reversal. Key support where you monitor for bullish entry. Just like Tesla. And if I walk down memory lane or I take a look on the charts now, do you remember Netflix, my favorite event 2018 and my favorite event right now? Stunning earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci reversal zone mean everything. Spectacular earnings time and time again. Netflix crushing. And where's Netflix rallying from? Trend inception reversal zone. No surprise. Chart present in front of you for years. Do you remember that? Stunning earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci reversal zone, key support, key resistance mean everything. Shock or not. Crash and burn in Netflix until trend inception. 220. Been in the room since early 2018. Where did Netflix rally from? No surprise. And this is Netflix now, in pain again. Why? Because price struggling at key Fibonacci resistance. Spectacular earnings again and Netflix collapsing to this key support. Just like S&P had done. Just like Tesla had done. Identical strategy. And what is a shocking event nowadays? My goodness, take a look on pound. Anyone surprised? Why in the world is pound rallying? Brexit on the verge of collapse, complete, pound going through the roof. How much is pound up right now? Shock or not? Almost 900 pips. Why is that? It's a reversal zone, not the place to short. The place to monitor for reversal. On S&P, it's a reversal zone. On your trade, exit, do not enter. Identical Fibonacci level. Very different strategy. And this is what pound looked like before. Do you remember pound in 2016? Showing you reversal zone ahead. Taking pound 7 years to break through this support. Reversal zone, not the place to short. Reversal zone, the place to monitor for reversal. And that's the reason pound rallying. And that's the reason Tesla rallying. Because Fibonacci said so. Nothing else matters. And that's what price does every time, no matter what you trade. Here's another reminder. Amazon. This is what Amazon looked like at the start of 2018. Showing you when price will come to Fibonacci reversal zone, Amazon will crash. And this is what happened on Amazon when Amazon reached 2000 level. Spectacular earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci means everything. Crash and burn, Amazon. Shock or not. And that's what price does every single time. Amazon went into free fall. $700 per share. Ouch. Where's Amazon in pain right now? At key Fibonacci resistance. Anyone surprised? That's what happens if you buy into reversal zone. Not the place to buy, the place to exit. Stunning earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci mean everything. Fibonacci will override any news. Fibonacci overrides all indicators. It never gets old, I promise. Our favorite event of 2019, Graduate Bootcamp in April, will be a spectacular event where graduates will share what they trade and where I will be introducing top strategy I developed in 10 years that has ultimate simplicity. That's showing you time and time again to the tick where to enter and where to exit. Price is that simple. It doesn't matter if it's Amazon, if it's Tesla, if it's Netflix, if it's anything you trade, if it's pound. When price comes to reversal zone, expect reversal. And that's what you see in the trading room every single day. To the tick, the power of the method. And the reason why JP Morgan executive just finished the course. And when Curtis and I met in New York, we had a fantastic conversation about markets. And this is what he shared in his email. Shock or not? When I work with some of the top traders and top executives on the planet, and when I receive this, simplicity is key, it never ceased to amaze me to hear it from some of the top traders on the planet. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. As my students know, the power of the method. What you decide to trade, absolutely up to you. I agree? Choice is yours. Look at this dance. Key support remains with key resistance in front of you. Nothing else is possible. Market in excruciating pain. Knowledgeable trader knows that. We're in massive correction on institutional charts. Market conditions will become more and more painful. Trader will be tested to the core time and time again. And how trader responds to market conditions is everything. So here we are, traders. Market can remain in pain for hours. Market can remain for days. As long as institutional correction remains and market dancing in very narrow and very dangerous dense, you know where to exit your position, you are in excellent shape. Fibonacci gives you that precision. Fibonacci gives you that accuracy. Nothing else ever will. And it doesn't matter what you trade, doesn't matter if it's pound, Tesla, Amazon, euro, cryptocurrency, ETF, stocks, options. It all remains the same. Reversals on the place to exit, no matter what you trade. And that's the core of the method. And that's what Curtis learned in the courses. And that's what beginner traders, hedge fund managers learn. If you decide to advance your trading and you're signing up for private mentoring, you learn much, much more. You master basic strategies, I teach you more. Choice is yours. What do you want to trade? So, any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. As S&P had done exact same thing as Amazon, as Pound, as Netflix, as Tesla. And that's the power of the method. Choice is yours. What you decide to trade.